What's up,
Very
everyone?
nice sneaker.
Welcome
Very
back
dope.
to See My Review, the channel where we
Key tag is
unbox,
flat
review,
orange.
and break down the freshest kicks in the game.
It's not,
And today, we've
you
got a
see it?
seriously
It's
hot
flat.
drop to show
It's
you.
not shiny
The Jordan 3
orange.
Retro J Balvin
Matte.
Rio. This is one of the most hyped collabs
Nice
in the
tag,
Jordan lineup
plastic
this year.
tag.
From the box to the details
Very nice.
inside, this pair screams personality
Signature
and
J
energy.
Balvin.
So sit
Balvin.
back, relax, and let's dive
sneaker.
into this vibrant masterpiece.
It's
The moment
very
you crack open the
flat
box,
black.
you're hit with that premium vibe, sleek black leather
It's
upper,
now, I'm putting
bold
light
color
on
pops,
it.
and of course,
It
the iconic
shines,
elephant
but
print on the toe and heel that pays
let me
homage to
check
the
why
OG Jordan
when I
3
put the
style.
light
But what
off.
really sets this pair apart is that gradient midsole,
Check,
shifting from bright solar flare
flat
orange to a
black
deep
sneaker,
abyss tone.
It's
A
still
design that reflects J
Still-
Balvin's
still
musical energy
a
and
lot of
personal
light.
story.
I'm gonna
Now,
hit
this
the
isn't
other
just
button.
another flashy collab.
So
The
check
Rio
it out,
edition is
guys.
named
Now you've
after
got
J
a flat
Balvin's
black
son,
sneaker.
which brings a heartfelt,
I'm gonna put
personal
this one
touch
away
to the
because it
design.
has
This
the hang
sneaker
tag.
is a tribute,
Oh,
an artistic
Sorry,
blend
guys,
of fatherhood
one take.
and creative expression. You
Give
can
me a
really
sec.
feel the thought that went into every detail,
flat black
from the
it is.
vibrant colors to the
Also
sleek
in
silhouette.
dark.
Let's talk about how it feels on foot.
I'm gonna put the
Just like
light
every Jordan
on.
3, you're getting that classic comfort and support.
check.
The air cushioning is responsive, the premium leather feels solid, and there's plenty of structure in the upper.
Guys, I get two
Whether you're
lights.
rocking them casually or
Let's
collecting
start.
them as a grail piece,
On
the J
the
Balvin Rio
sole.
3S offer both
Sure.
style and substance. Thanks for watching this unboxing
Very
and
nice.
review on See My
It's,
Review. If you enjoyed the
I think
video, don't
orange.
forget to like, comment, and
Fiber
subscribe. We've
orange.
got more heat coming your way
The
real
black
soon.
midsole.
And again, all the links you need to buy the
above.
shoes, follow the website, or contact them
Midsole, you've
are down
got
below
some,
in the
I think, some
description.
purple,
Until next time, stay fresh, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next review. If you're a true sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover always on the hunt for the next big pickup, let me put you on to /highfoot.ru, one of the best destinations out there for top-tier sneakers and fashion items. Whether you're after the latest Jordan releases, limited edition dunks, Yeezys, or even designer streetwear, Hifoot delivers a massive range of high-quality products that are both stylish and authentic. One of the things that sets Hifoot apart is their commitment to authenticity and quality control, giving you peace of mind with every order. They offer affordable prices that won't break the bank, making hype fashion way more accessible for everyone. What really makes shopping at Hifoot a smooth experience is their secure payment options, fast global shipping, and responsive customer service.